How to view leaderboard in Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can look out or check out the leaderboard. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this ranked button. Simply tap on ranked. So this is the place where you'll be able to see the leaderboard. Here on the left bottom, simply tap on this button, and here there's an option called leaderboard. Simply select leaderboard. So this is the place where you can see the leaderboard. Here you can see different regions that you can select from. So here you can even see your position down, so you can compare yourself with other players and friends that are ahead of you and behind of you. So here you can even rank yourself in cities and even different continents and areas. So this is a point, and it will bring a type of competition in friends too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.